dear viewers, welcome back again. And today's menu, Conch in coconut milk. Ingredients we're going to need: 1 Conch, 2 coconut milk, and as for the seasoning, we need 1 table of salt, 1 table of sugar, and 1 pepper powder. Then once you obtain all the ingredients, you're going to stir the ingredients. Then we also have to add 1 table of salt. Then we're going to steam. We add 1 sugar, 1 pepper powder, complete. Then we finish 1 mini game. Then we're going to apply. And upraise. There you have it, Conch in the coconut milk. Thank you for watching, and come again next time when you need something new ingredients. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs like, and see you next time. Bye bye.